Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, we're going to talk about how to change settings for notifications on your iPhone. It's really easy, but I still feel like several times a week I'm with people that are like, oh, there's so many things popping up on my phone, I don't want to see this stuff, and it's really simple. All you're going to do is go to settings and then notifications, and then you can actually customize it app by app. So if you want to receive notifications for new emails, you can customize it down to, do you want a noise alert? Do you just want it to be on your home screen? Do you want it to be a banner? And then for things like Etsy or maybe the news, certain alerts that you want to look at on your own time, but you don't want flooding your home screen, you can actually turn all of those alerts off or, again, customize it to whatever you'd like. I hope this tech tip is super helpful and creates some space on your home screen for the things that matter most to you. Have a great week. You guys know the drill. Subscribe or reach out to me directly for more information. Have a great week, everyone.